Tell me what's going on.
So I have originally the monitor, navigation and stuff like that. I just wanted a bigger screen for my backup camera. I got it all hooked up and everything plugged in. I'm not getting a display or anything.
What size engine do you have? Are you saying it's not turning on? Is that what you had said earlier? Have you checked for power to the screen?
The radio did work for a second, but my truck does turn on and everything.
Okay.
So I don't know if it'll trigger the fuse or it's just the screen doesn't light up at all. And I don't want to start cutting into shit
Right.
Because I know it has a computer.
So this is a touch screen, is that right?
Yeah, the 8-inch stock touch screen. It's not the original for the truck, but it's an upgrade. But it's factory with another.
And have we checked any of the fuses as of yet or not? So you have a body control module on the right kick panel. And I'm showing fuse 33. It's not hard. But I tell you what, let's not do this while we're on the phone. But let's just finish this conversation and I'll let you work on it. You can always reply back online. But I'm showing fuse number 33 powers up this module. I would recommend that you check all of the fuses in the body control module in the right kick panel just to be sure nothing simple is overlooked. If that checks out good, I would go ahead and check for battery voltage. It looks like there's a red wire that goes into the back of the unit. It should have battery voltage all the time. And then should be a ground in here somewhere. Black wire with gray stripe, I think it is. This can be a ground. So if the unit's not powering up and the fuses are good, we'll have to check. Powers on the grounds always need to be checked. Maybe the unit's bad, but what you could do is you could disconnect the battery cables from the battery and rub the cables together for 5 minutes. It's actually showing for 10 minutes. Before extensive testing, here I found a case study here. Customer concern, the radio does not operate, the screen is blank. Before extensive testing, disconnect the battery and put the positive and negative cables together for at least 10 minutes. Reinstall the cables on battery and recheck operation of radio. So the battery disconnect procedure is actually pretty common in this vehicle. And I'm showing here that it resolves this issue. So you might want to give that a shot. So I would start there, my friend. Any other questions while we're on the phone?
No, it's kind of late and I was looping around, so.
How come? Well, good luck and let us know if anything else comes up.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. Have a good night.
Thanks a lot. You too. Bye-bye.